Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Today, on a return visit, Mr. Keith from Landscapes by Keith. Keith, welcome.
Hello, Bob. How you doing?
Good to be here. I'm doing. How you doing over the winter months? You get cabin fever?
No, we stay pretty busy, so it doesn't really, as far as not having enough work or something. Usually, we're very busy with everything, so it's just do that and a couple vacation days, and the winter's gone and spring's here.
Spring will be here.
Time to rock and roll with you.
Your phones will light up.
Yeah.
So you've been busy on designs over the winter? A lot of design work?
Well, typically, the way that goes is, a client will call me and then...
So wait a minute, I'm going to interrupt you.
Yeah, okay.
So
sure.
A client calls you. I've been wanting to ask you this for years. I've known you for 25 years. So when a client calls, but I've never been on that side of it. I've overheard you talk to somebody on a job site, but I'm usually a couple steps down. So when a client originally calls you, do they know what they want? Like, how do you take that when a client calls and says, hey, I'm a next door neighbor of, in this case, somebody we both know, Fred Woods. I'm a next door neighbor of Fred Woods. I saw what you've done here. It's really beautiful. How do you proceed with that?
Well, usually when the client calls me, they, as you had said before, they know a little bit what they want, but not really. That's my job to figure out what's going to make them happy in terms of a design and installing that design. So a lot of the times the clients know a little bit what they want, but they want me to come up with an idea and create something. So that's what I enjoy doing, and a lot of that is helpful with you coming in and doing the lighting. Once I do the plan, we can take that plan and implement the plan, whether it's just a patio or it's creating the whole outdoor living space with like Fred Woods did a fire pit and an outdoor kitchen.
That was beautiful.
And he put a hot tub on the patio. So I had to kind of design all those elements to where they would fit into the space and function and flow.
That was a tight space there to make all that happen, wasn't it?
It was a tight space.
But it worked. But it flowed nice when you got it all done.
And what was really nice was that you were able to come in and work with me on exactly where the lighting would go and where the irrigation heads would go. So everything gets watered, everything gets maintained, and it just looks beautiful at night.
And Fred gave us latitude, him and his wife both give us plenty of latitude to work together,
Yes.
It had input, but it also pulled back and said, hey guys, take care of this.
Yeah,
take care of it like it's your own property.
Right.
Which is nice to work that way.
Oh yeah. When you get clients like that, it's really nice that they can just let you design what you see and take the ball and roll with it.
And trust you. A lot of trust there.
Yeah.
A lot of trust.
So, yeah, it's really nice. And a lot of my projects that I do are basically referral. So I do a home show every year in February and just referral, and that's how I stay busy with all my work.
Gotcha.
And thanks to you for a few jobs that has come about with working with you. But I always enjoy working with you because when it comes down to time frame, when I have to install something, you're always, when do you need me there? So you're right there and installing it. So I really appreciate that. That's a huge help versus if it was somebody else. Then
holding you up.
You haven't dealt with that other person, and they're like, "Oh no, I can't get to you to 2 weeks." And like, no,
you and
that's
I've
not
dealt
gonna
with
work.
people like that before. Someone at a third party, and you and I pulled our hair out before waiting for somebody.
Right.
I won't name the person, but it was a guy that he was just tied up, but he held you and I both up, and the client, I won't name her, but she was upset with all of us, thinking you and I were holding it up. It was this guy, and he comes in there, tells the story, and then you and I are left with cleaning it up, finishing it up. But that's just part of it. You and I have been around a lot of years, so we're kind of used to that. But unfortunately, when people do that to you. But anyway, we make it all together and make it look seamless. And it's like a duck paddling under the water there. You got a lot going on behind the scenes, isn't it?
That's it. There's a lot going on. A lot of people don't understand that, but what they do appreciate is when you could take a job or they're working on their project and you have somebody that you have two contractors. A lot of people, they want to have one contractor that's going to handle everything. And there's multiple times that I would just handle multiple contractors. But what's nice is working with you, it's an easy flow. And I know it's going to be done well, and it's going to be quality work.
Well, our guys worked together many years too, so they know each other.
Like you said, I think it's been at least 25 years.
Yeah, but our guys, they'll come together on the job site. You and I were saying, do they know what's going on? And they're talking back and forth in Spanish faster than you and I could even know what's going on. We're having our own conversation with the homeowner, and those guys already got a plan. We just have to walk away because they know what they're going to do together as a team.
Exactly.
Which makes it nice for both of us, even you and I.
That's correct. Yes. Mm-hmm.
So that works out well.
Yep.
Keith, if folks want to get a hold of you, how can they get a hold of you? I know you probably don't need any more work going this spring, but if they do, and you're accepting new work, how do they get a hold of you?
Well, they can actually just do landscapesbykeith.com if they want to go to the website and look at some of my work that I've done there, or they can just call my office line at 410-923-6145. Or they can call me on my cell phone. I can just answer the cell phone, which is 410-320-1105.
Fantastic. Keith, appreciate you coming in today and spending a couple minutes with us.
Thank you, and thank you for everything that you do for me, for all the 25 years that we've been together. I appreciate it. And
likewise.
It's really good. Thank you.
Likewise, Keith. And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you guys next week with another episode.